Aigithia atano kuuma bururi wa China ninakinyitio igoti-ini ria shanzu mwena wa gicua-ini magicukirwo kwenja mahiga ma goro matari na ruutha kuringana na mucirithania igoti-ini riri ni athanite makorwo mateguthie kuraihu na bururi kuona maya kwaga gwikinyia igoti-ini ta uria mundu gwitwo Maina wa mucwe aratariria.
Okay, I looked at the reasons given by the prosecution. Yes, they will remain in custody because of their immigration status. The 2 Kenyan shuaitis of a bond of Kenya shillings 2 million each. They shall each deposit their passports in this court. They shall each be released on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 1 million. For order that the first, second, third, and fourth accused will remain in custody until the matter is determined. It therefore becomes difficult for the court to release suspects whose their migration status are in question, with offences relating on their immigration status, or rather on how they were able to get to the country, cannot be able to, they are released, they are likely to escape from the area of this court. Then we have Q Zianping.
Majambazi. Na ule mama sasa kwa milioni.
On 25th of October, and there will be a mission on 10th of August.